Hello, everyone. This is Joel over at Just Document Preparation, bonded and registered legal document assistants in Riverside, California. Today, I want to answer a simple question with maybe not such a simple answer, but hopefully provide you with some information on that. That is, where do I file a conservatorship in Riverside County? So, before looking at where to file a conservatorship in Riverside County, it's important to understand what division conservatorships are handled by. So, in California, you often hear or you may be familiar with the family law court, the small claims court, a criminal court. But less common to a lot of people is conservatorships and the probate court. So the probate division of the court is a separate division, just like family law is a separate division that handles divorces and custody, child support. The probate division handles three main case types, and it's easy to classify these as cases where people cannot handle their own either estates or their own decisions. So probate court handles probate cases where somebody has passed away and the court has to facilitate the passing of their assets. The probate court also handles guardianships where there are minor children and somebody is petitioning to be their guardian, either because the parents are deceased or not in the picture or in jail. And then the court also handles conservatorships. And this is while the person is still alive, but unable to make their own decisions for themselves or their estate. This is common in adults who are developmentally disabled, adults who are getting older in age and maybe have dementia or Alzheimer's, and someone in their family is trying to represent them or trying to petition the court to get permission to help facilitate their day-to-day as well as their assets. So the conservatorships are filed in the probate division in the California Superior Courts. So back to the original question, in Riverside County, where do I file that conservatorship? So there are three main probate courts in Riverside County. So a particular courthouse can have many divisions. Example of this would be in downtown Riverside, the main courthouse. They have a probate division. They have a civil division. Across the street, they have a criminal division. Across the other street, a family law division. So three probate courts in Riverside County. Downtown Riverside, Temecula, which handles probate filings for South County, and then also the Desert, Low Desert, which handles the Indio, Palm Springs, Palm Desert probate filings. So when looking where to file, it's going to be based on a geographical map. Every so many years, the court will redraw this map, and essentially it is a list of zip codes that court handles. So if you're within a particular zip code, typically that court is going to be where you're filing. Example, you are in downtown Riverside, you are in 92501, and the downtown Riverside court handles zip codes from 92501 all the way to 92509 or whatever it be. That's where you'll file. The court in Riverside County does have a document on their website, which is titled Where to File in Riverside County. You can look it for your zip code, and then it will tell you exactly the court that you will file a conservatorship. It is important to note, however, if you are the petitioner and you are trying to get conservatorship of, let's say, your mother, that her zip code does have bearing as well. If you live in Riverside County and she lives in San Bernardino County, she owns assets in San Bernardino County, you may be filing in San Bernardino County, in which you will look up on their county website for the court where those probate filings are going to be. It's also important to note that maybe your mother lives in Palm Desert, you live in Riverside. There are two courts that are brought to attention based on your zip code and their zip code, and you're still going to want to confirm which one the court is going to want you to file at. So the answer is that there are a few courts and a few options, but there is a right answer on which court you should file at, and there is a specific court that you should file at. So you're going to want to confirm if you have any question with the court clerk. You can call the court and you can let them know that I am petitioning and my mother is the one I am petitioning. Here's our zip code. Here's their zip code. and they'll be able to let you know specifically which court location, or they may refer you to say, check with San Bernardino County or LA County based on the information you've told me, because you may be filing out there. And after poking around a little, you're going to know exactly what court to file at. For our conservatorship clients, we will track down and find the appropriate court. We've been helping with conservatorship documents since 1996. So if you are looking for a document preparation service to facilitate completing the documents, filing them at the court, completing the required serves and notifications, our conservatorship document preparation service includes all of that. Hope that helped, and thanks for watching.